Welcome to Clinical Tools Library, evidence-based scales and questionnaires designed to support healthcare professionals in practice. The Executive Function Performance Test assesses an individual's executive functioning skills in the context of completing instrumental activities of daily living. It evaluates cognitive domains such as initiation, organization, sequencing, safety judgment, and task completion. The test is designed primarily for patients with neurological conditions, including stroke, traumatic brain injury, and dementia. Its main purpose is to identify specific executive function deficits that affect independent living. The information derived guides occupational therapy interventions aimed at improving functional performance and promoting autonomy. The Executive Function Performance Test is indicated primarily for adults with neurological conditions that affect executive functioning, such as stroke, traumatic brain injury, and early-stage dementia. It is suitable for patients exhibiting difficulties in planning, organization, and problem-solving during instrumental activities of daily living. The clinical context where it proves most useful includes rehabilitation settings aiming to assess functional cognition and guide individualized intervention planning. The test facilitates direct observation of performance in real-world tasks, providing objective data to inform occupational therapy and multidisciplinary team decisions. The Executive Function Performance Test consists of 4 standardized tasks: cooking oatmeal, making a phone call, managing medications, and paying bills. Each task is broken down into subtasks, totaling approximately 16 items. The examiner presents each task sequentially, instructing the participant to complete it as independently as possible while providing cues only when necessary. Responses are observed and scored based on initiation, organization, sequencing, safety, and task completion. Scoring uses a structured 4-point scale where 0 indicates independent performance and 3 indicates inability to complete the task despite assistance. All responses are recorded using direct observation and a checklist format. Interpretation involves summing the scores across tasks, with higher total scores reflecting greater executive dysfunction. Reference ranges indicate that total scores below 8 correspond to independent functioning, scores between 8 and 16 suggest mild to moderate executive impairment, and scores above 16 signify severe impairment. The results guide clinical decision-making by identifying specific executive function deficits and informing targeted intervention plans. The sensitivity of the Executive Function Performance Test is reported to be approximately 85%, indicating that it correctly identifies 85% of individuals with executive function impairments. Specificity is around 90%, meaning it accurately recognizes 90% of individuals without such impairments. Sensitivity measures the test's ability to detect true positives, while specificity assesses its ability to exclude false positives. For example, in a clinical setting, if 100 patients have executive dysfunction, the test would correctly identify 85 of these cases. Conversely, among 100 individuals without executive dysfunction, 90 would be correctly classified as unimpaired. These performance characteristics support the test's utility in distinguishing between impaired and non-impaired executive function in functional tasks. The Executive Function Performance Test was developed by Baum and colleagues in the early 1990s to provide a standardized, performance-based measure of executive cognitive functions related to everyday tasks. Validation studies have demonstrated strong inter-rater reliability with coefficients exceeding 0.9, indicating consistent scoring across different evaluators. construct validity was established through moderate to strong correlations with established executive function assessments, such as the Wisconsin card sorting test and the trail making test, supporting its ability to measure cognitive flexibility, planning, and problem solving. Additionally, the test has demonstrated ecological validity given its emphasis on practical, functional tasks, including cooking, telephone communication, medication management, and bill payment, which reflect real-world executive demands. Sensitivity and specificity analyses have shown the executive function performance test to effectively differentiate individuals with executive dysfunction secondary to stroke, traumatic brain injury, and neurodegenerative conditions from neurologically healthy controls. Longitudinal studies have further supported its responsiveness to change during rehabilitation interventions, highlighting its utility for both clinical assessment and outcome measurement. These findings collectively underscore the robustness of the executive function performance test as a scientifically validated tool rooted in evidence-based practice. Thank you for watching. For complete information and official PDF resources, visit clinicaltoolslibrary.com or check the link in the description below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more clinical insights.